alphabet. A, B, C.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for guitar. H is for helicopter. I is for ice cream. Delicious ice cream. J is for juice. K is for kite. L is for lion. W is for watermelon. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. And Z is for zebra. Good job. Now you know the ABCs. Let's learn the numbers from 1 to 20. 1 monkey. 2 bananas. 3 lions. 4 apples. 5 snakes. 6 elephants. 7 giraffes. 8 sunflowers. 9 birds. 10 zebras. 11 rabbits. 12 flowers. 13 koalas. 14 hats. 15 jackets. 16 tigers. 17 parrots. 18 frogs. 19 butterflies. And 20 caterpillars. Let's learn about shapes.
Triangle, rectangle, circle, and heart. Diamond, square, oval, and star. Triangle, rectangle, circle, and heart. Diamond, square, oval, and star.
I see squares when we go to town. They're everywhere you turn. They have 4 sides of the very same length. Let's see what we can learn. Like a pizza box.
Like a pizza box.
And my toy blocks.
And my toy box.
Equal sides of 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like a picture frame.
Like a picture frame.
Or a window pane.
Or a window pane.
A square is just a shape that I adore.
Now let's learn about our solar system.
We are the planets big and round. Watch us happily fly around.
All the beautiful planets. Mercury, Sun, Venus. Wow. Earth, Mars, Jupiter.
We are the planets big and round. Watch us happily fly around. We are the planets big and round. Watch us happily fly around.